In this video, I'll show you how to install a 300 plus Supercars pack in GTA San Andreas. Check my video description for this mod. Right click on the mod file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close up here, right click on the game and select open file location. Before doing this mod, backup your San Andreas folder. Copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder. Open the essential backup. Open again, and drop all these files inside a game folder, replace file in the destination, and then go back up. Open the vehicle pack up. Open the necessary, drag drop these two files inside a game folder. Replace file in the destination, then scroll down, right click on this 14,000 KB and select show more. Send it to desktop create shortcut. Now you can launch the game through the newly created shortcut. Once you are in game, the vehicles all are changed to supercars. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.